Hey everyone! Are you ever tired from a long day of work and you just need a relaxing mini spa vacation, but you don't want to go anywhere? Well, I found a pretty helpful book on Amazon called How to Have a Day Spa at Home, and it's by Helen Marie. I like to save money, and I definitely am a fan of the do-it-yourself projects because they're convenient, a lot of fun, and a great learning experience. This book gives me great ideas on how to treat myself with natural beauty materials that I already have in my kitchen, and it's probably in yours too. I rarely take the time to pamper myself and to make sure my needs are met. So I've learned that in order to help others, you need to make sure you're in the right headspace first. Getting this book and reading through it gave me a ton of easy ideas to work with that will help with my stress and enhance my overall health. Self-care is really important, and this book also has recipes for meals that encourages a well-balanced diet and other resources to promote personal health. I recently went through a stressful period in my life and was very overwhelmed. And to be honest, this book helped me get through the tough times, and I was able to get back on my feet again quicker. I believe it's a great investment in the long run, and you can always refer back to it even after 10 years. So I hope you check it out by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.